Have you felt it recently? A strange background hum of uncertainty. Maybe it appears when you read another headline about a new AI, or when you see a piece of art or an article, and you can't tell if a human made it. It's a feeling of being overwhelmed, maybe even a little obsolete. This feeling has a name. It's AI anxiety. And if you're feeling it, you are not alone. But this anxiety doesn't have to control you. Let's analyze what it is and how we can find calm. So, what is this AI anxiety? It's not just one single fear. It's a complex cocktail of emotions. First, there's the fear of obsolescence, the personal fear. Will my job, my skills, still matter in 5 years?
Second, there's the fear of the unknown. The pace of change is accelerating faster than our minds can adapt. We're building something we don't fully understand, and that loss of control is deeply unsettling. And third, there's algorithmic overload. We are drowning in information. We're doom scrolling AI news, feeding our own anxiety loops. It's a rational response to an irrational time. The ground is shifting. Let's talk about the big one, the fear of being replaced. If you're an artist, a writer, a coder, you've likely seen AI replicate tasks that took you years to master. And that hurts. It can feel like your value is diminishing. But I want to offer a different perspective. Your value was never just the technical task. Your value is your taste, your curiosity, your empathy, your ability to ask the right questions. AI is a powerful tool. It's a calculator for words and images. But you are the mathematician. You are the architect. The new skill is not collaboration with AI. It's curation of AI. An AI can generate 1,000 images, but you are the one who knows which one has heart. An AI can write a brief, but you understand the human nuance. Don't see AI as a replacement. See it as a leverage to amplify your human insight. So how do we quiet the noise? How do we find that digital zen? It starts by controlling what we can. And the first thing we can control is our input. You do not have to read every article. You do not have to watch every new demo. This is curated consumption. Instead of doom scrolling, schedule a tech check-in, maybe just 15 minutes in the morning. The rest of the day, you disconnect from the what if and reconnect with the what is. Go for a walk. Read a physical book. Talk to a friend about anything but AI. Your mind is a garden. Don't let the noise of the world be the only thing you plant there. You have to actively cultivate your own peace. This isn't ignorance. It's intentional focus. It's mental self-defense. Finally, the most powerful way to conquer AI anxiety is to double down on what AI cannot do. AI is fantastic at computation. Humans are essential for connection. AI can analyze data. It cannot sit with a friend in silence and share their grief. AI can write code. It cannot feel the spark of genuine curiosity that leads to a new invention. AI can simulate empathy. It cannot be empathetic.
The future of work and our well-being lies in these human-centric skills: critical thinking, emotional intelligence, creativity, and collaboration. Instead of fearing AI, use the time it saves you to become more human. Learn how to listen better. Ask deeper questions. Mentor someone. Create something messy and imperfect, just for the joy of it. AI will handle the how. We must always, always provide the why. AI anxiety is real, and it's valid. It's the friction between an old world and a new one. But it is not our destiny. It's just a new variable. We can't control the speed of innovation, but we can control our response to it. We can choose curation over consumption. We can choose collaboration over competition. And we can choose every single day to invest in our own irreplaceable, imperfect, essential humanity. Find your calm, and then get curious.